They're very comfortable.
Yeah, take a look. I'd
Okay.
like to see. You mean they've been trying to call us here?
Yes, King Friday wanted Miss Maleficent to reach you for a certain reason, and she just couldn't get through.
Wonder why.
This looks like it's not lit there. Huh? I really don't know what they wanted.
Well, this hasn't flashed the whole time
It
we've
hasn't
been
flashed.
here.
Well,
No.
let's have a look. Excuse me, Mr. Rogers. Let's see if I have a brand new light. There's one. We'll just take this one out.
You think that's what it is?
Let's have a look.
Uh-oh. It rattles.
It does rattle.
Yeah.
We'll just put in. You're right. Why don't we just put in a new one and see what happens?
Well, I wonder what he wants us for. King Friday trying to get in touch with us.
He has been trying to reach you.
He is all right, isn't he?
Oh, he's fine. Yes, he's fine. I think there's a special function going on over at the castle that he would like you to look in on.
I never open these things because I know you're in charge of that.
Let's just check the telecam while we're here now. The wire seems to be just a bit frayed. I have some tape here. A little tape on it.
Yes, it is frayed here.
Just cover it a bit. How have you been, all right?
Fine. I like to see people repair things.
Well, this is just a safety measure here, Mr. Rogers, to cover up the bare part. There. I want to do that.
Mm-hmm.
Do you mind if I try to reach Miss
Oh, please
Maleficent?
do. Check in.
Miss
Hey,
Maleficent.
it's flashing already.
Yeah, it's working. Miss Maleficent. Handyman Negri here. Would you like to talk with Mr. Rogers now? Okay, I'll put him on.
Hello? Yes, Handyman Negri fixed it.